Hello students, how are you all? So today we will study about chapter 7, describing words, and this is the third part of this chapter. So let's begin. So till now we have understood how we'll be using the describing words in the following exercises. Okay? What are the describing words and how by using these with the help of this picture we can understand what are the describing words. Okay, till now we have done it. Now here is another one. Let's see what we will be doing. Play. Work in pairs. Arrange a number of toys on your desk. Do a role play where one of you becomes the shopkeeper of a toy store and the other a customer. The shopkeeper shows a toy and the other and talks about them using describing words and action words. The customer then decides which toy to buy and tells the shopkeeper why she likes it. So students, here is some kind of play we will be doing. That in this we have to arrange the toys on the table, and then we have to use the words which describe the toys, and then we have to understand it what it is we are talking about. Let's begin. Take this teddy bear, the boy says. The girl says, no, I will take this ball. So now the play has begun. The girl is saying, I don't want the teddy bear, she wants a ball. And the boy says that take this teddy bear. So now he is describing about teddy bear. It is very soft. And the girl is also describing about ball. The ball is red and round. Okay? It is a happy bear. You will like it. Okay? So again the boy is describing the bear that it is a happy bear. And the girl says, I like the ball more. I can play with it in the park. So the girl is also describing that she likes ball and because she can play with it in the park. Okay students? So now here is another one. Learning with Lady Bird. So in this also we will be using some describing words. So let's understand. Adjectives are words that give information. So adjectives are the words which gives the information about something. It can be anything about boy, about clothes, about things which we use. So let's understand what it is exactly. So here is the first one. There are two boys, a boy, a dirty boy. Okay student, here it is a simple a boy. Okay, and there is another boy who is dirty. That means that dirty is the word. That means it is giving some information about the boy. That means the boy is dirty. So here is another one. There are two shirts. There is a normal shirt, white shirt. There is a yellow shirt, as we can see in the image. Okay students, so this is how we have the sentences are telling about the quality or describing information about the shirt. The boy is dirty and the shirt is yellow. Okay. Adjectives go before the things they describe. So adjectives are the words which go before the things they describe. That means we can see a girl, a happy girl. So students, we are using happy before the girl. So that means it is describing about the girl, and that is why it goes before the things. Okay. So here is another one. Try to remember adjectives in pairs. So here are some pairs also. So please students learn these pairs. Okay, so first one is old, young, hot, cold. Okay, and then big and small. So these are the pairs, and students, please learn these pairs by heart. Adjectives gives information about nouns. So here are the nouns which we use in the sentences, and the adjectives are the information which they give. So here is another one exercise, simple adjectives. So student, by doing these exercise, we will understand what are simple adjectives. So tick the adjectives. So students, we have to tick the adjectives in this following exercise. So the first one is small. That is an example for us. Another one is happy, angry, bad, good, and beautiful. Okay, so these are the describing words also. They are describing something. So they are simple adjective words. Okay, students. So now here is another one. Complete the sentences by following these words. So students, here are some words given over here, and we have to complete these exercises which are given below. So like for example, a young cat. As we can see, a cat, and it is young. Okay, so a new camera. So we're going to write new camera. Okay, third one, an open book. OPEN. Okay, so this is how we have to write it down. Then the fourth one, the flower is yellow. So a yellow flower. Okay, students, so this is how we have to do it. Now here is a homework for you, students. This is the blank square which is given to you. In this you have to draw a small animal. So student, this is a homework for you. Draw a small animal over here. It can be a rat or a mice. Okay, so you have to draw it. So student, this is how we have come to the end of this video and the chapter also. I hope students, you have understood this chapter. So thank you class. Have a nice day.